Hey everybody, Eric Sandstrom, the Guideline Guru, Prime Lending, Senior Loan Officer here. What I'm going to be talking about today is something that has been affecting the marketplace, especially here in San Diego, and that mainly is affordability. So what comes with affordability? That comes with the price of the home, that also comes with the interest rate that determines your monthly payment, and a variety of factors as well. So mortgage insurance and so on. I want to talk to you about a few key points today. I wrote an article about this. Please feel free to read it. The link is below. So how can you get a lower interest rate than what is available? Or how can you get a monthly payment that's more affordable? Every single time that I talk to a buyer, a real estate agent, whoever it may be, I ask, what's the biggest hurdle? And it seems that everybody here in San Diego, when I ask them what's a monthly payment that you can afford, they say $2,000. $2,000. Okay, so in reality, what can you afford for $2,000? You can't afford much. So let's break down that barrier and hopefully provide a little bit of difference when it comes to the monthly payment a different way. So we're going to be talking about something that I've come up with, and that's the sellers of homes providing a credit to buy the interest rate down. Okay, so let's say the market rate is 5%, 5.125. Let's get a seller credit for 2%, and that 2% is going to go towards buying the interest rate down. It could get it down, for all we know, to 4.25, 4.375, 4.5. That's going to significantly lower the borrower's monthly payment. So instead of the home staying on the market for a long period of time, you can, let's say, provide an incentive to the person purchasing the home, and at the same time get top dollar for selling the home as well. Okay, so that's one route. Buying the interest rate down, we already talked about that, and a seller credit. In addition to a seller credit, you could buy it down even further if you want. So let's say you get a seller credit and you want to pay an additional 1% to buy it down, you can do that. In this day and age, it seems like buyers are afraid of points. And I think for the long-term aspect of things, we need to not be afraid of points. If we think the interest rates are going to be higher in, let's say, the next few years, then let's look at those options and see if they're beneficial. Okay. Another thing that most people experience, something that I experienced myself, was mortgage insurance. So you're going to have what's called monthly mortgage insurance if you put less than 20% down typically. Now there's ways that not many loan officers educate their consumers to eliminate that monthly payment. And you can do that through a single premium. Okay. So that single premium, let's say, may cost you $6,100 on a $500,000 purchase to buy the MI out in full, or the monthly payment is $150 or $170. So basically take that $150 or $170, divide it by 6,100, and determine if that makes sense for you to do that now. And that's something to make the payment instantly more affordable. Okay, so that's another route. Next one, improve your credit. Okay, another tool that we have as loan officers is what's called a credit simulator. The simulator is going to tell us what you can do as a home buyer to improve your credit. If you take those actions to improve your credit, it may increase your score, and it'll tell us what potential improvement that may be. So if you take those actions, you provide us with proof, we can instantly update your credit score via what's called a rapid rescore, and that could change the terms that you're eligible for, again, making the mortgage payment more affordable. Okay. The next thing that I'm predicting that's going to come out here soon is the 40-year amortized loans. I'm betting that we're going to see longer-term loans come out to make payments more affordable and keep the economy going. So that's what I'm predicting in regards to the future. There are already 40-year loans for certain products, so if you have a question about that and want to learn more, feel free to give me a call and I'd be more than happy to discuss it with you. Okay, so that's a lot of different things that you can do to make the payment more affordable. If you're curious about one, give me a call. I can let you know how big of an impact it will be with your monthly payment and see if that makes sense for you to buy now or if you wait for the hopeful downfall of the market, which at this point we never know if it's going to come. Okay, thanks so much. This is Eric Sandstrom, the Guideline Guru, and I hope you enjoy what you heard today and chat with you soon. Bye.